Hello, welcome. This video is going to be demonstrating how to use my website, the NHS Algebra2.weebly.com. So I'm going to demonstrate over here. So first of all, you're going to go to your to this place where you put the address. So let's go put the address, which is www.nhsalgebra2weebly.com. Alright, so I have it already in my computer, so it automatically brings to me, but you will have to type this up. So nhsalgebra2.weebly.com. Okay, that information is also found in the email that I sent you and also on your syllabus. Okay, so let's go ahead and press enter, and that will take us to the website. This is the welcome page. It has English and Spanish, so both students and parents can use it if the parent doesn't speak English. Okay. Also, first of all, if you want to contact me, you can always press contact teacher, and you'll be able to send an email to me. All you have to do is put your name, and if you want, you can put your email, or you can put your phone number, and then just send. Okay. Again, English and Spanish. Spanish will be in green. Okay, let's go back to the home. So usually when you type NHS Algebra 2, you're going to see this page. Okay, so basically what you want to do now is the best way to use it is to press daily log, and that's going to take you to this page that's going to show you everything that we have done since week 1. So if you notice, on Monday, January 6th, we did not have any school. And then on the second day, actually on the first day of school, which was Tuesday, January 7th, I had introductions, I went through the syllabus, and I had a lesson. Okay, and did you notice that when I hover over that lesson number 1, it's showing you that there's a link. If you change this color, it's because there's a link. So there's a whole bunch of links on this page right here. And what those links do is that you click on it, and you'll be able to go to this page where basically it goes over the lesson that we learned. So for example, I want to know the notes, so I click on notes, and there you go. Those are the notes that we had that day. This is what we wrote. Okay, and that will be the notes. So basically you just have to close that and just go to the other window and go back to that page. So here's your notes. Now you want to print your assignment. Okay, your assignments is right here. If you notice, there's assignment number 1 and assignment number 1. Basically, what you're seeing is the paper that I use to make photocopies. So basically, in order to save paper, you're gonna have sometimes the assignment double or 4 times printed on the same paper. But basically, you just have to do 1 time. This would be the assignment. Okay, here's the assignment, and as always, I'll show you the final answer so that you can check if you're doing it correctly or not. Okay, alright, very well. So let's go back here. Alright, and the last thing that you're going to see on the lesson page, okay, is this screen here that takes you to the YouTube, and basically you're going to be able to watch a video and hear me teach the lesson.
Hello, this is going to be lesson number 1 on polynomials. But before we can do the lesson, we need to do some definitions about polynomials.
So basically, watching this video, you'll be able to basically be in the classroom, but not physically be in the classroom. So if you either was absent or you wanted to review the lesson because you're struggling with that area, you'll be able to listen to the steps again. You'll be able to listen again to the lesson and strengthen the area that you want to reinforce. Okay. So basically, that's your lesson number 1. Okay, and then you go back to the daily log, and again you'll be able to go to lesson number 2. And sometimes I have a project which is like an assignment, so you click it and you print it. So you'll be able to print it and so forth. Okay, and so get out of there. And basically, this shows you all the lessons that we had. Okay, and then um, we're going to have a test on test number 1. The tests and quizzes I will be sending to the teacher that's going to be helping you. So so anytime you see a quiz here, basically just ask your teacher for that quiz whenever you finish that lesson and that assignment and you have no questions. So for example, on lesson 1, okay, the next day we had a warm-up, we answered questions on assignment number 1, we had lesson number 2. Then on Friday we had a warm-up, we answered questions on assignment number 2, and we had a quiz 1-2. That means that quiz covers topics 1 through 2. So basically, once you've done lesson 1 and 2 and you have no questions, go ahead and ask for the quiz number 1-2, and the teacher will give it to you, and then you take it, and then I'll be able to get it and be able to grade it for you. Okay? Alright? Let me talk about warm-ups. Warm-ups, we do it almost every day, and if you can see it here, you can click right there, and that gives you an idea what the warm-ups look like. So in your case, you can just print this page and kind of see what kind of things we're doing for the warm-up. Okay, the warm-up is a very good study guide for what's coming on the test and on the quizzes. So you can try these problems and see if you get the same answer. That way you're preparing yourself for that quiz or that test that's coming. Okay, all right. So basically we talked about daily log, warm-ups, contact teacher. Lessons is another way that I organize the lessons. So instead of going through the daily log, you can go lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. Basically it goes back to that page. So if you click on lesson 1, it's the same page that we got from the daily log, okay, when we press lesson 1. Okay, and then the archive was last semester's material that you can click on it and see kind of things that we did last semester. We're not going to use a lot of this, but I put it there just as an archive, so you can look some of the lessons that we had. I know that I did not use the website as much as I wanted to last semester, but this semester, as you can see, I'm trying to do a better job at it. Okay, so I hope that you were able to get a little overview of how the website is organized, and I hope that the website will be a great tool and a resource for you in your learning, so that you can stay with the classroom. All right, thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.